Chicago Children's Museum family. I'm Diana Costa and I'm a researcher working with the Chicago Children's Museum. And today we are going to make a hat for a party. I'm going to share with you a short story about a time I had to make a hat for a party. Then you will make your own hat and can share your story with me. When I was about your age, I was invited to my cousin's birthday party. The invitation said I had to make a hat to wear to the party made with things I had around the house. I really wanted to go, but how was I going to make a hat? My grandma and I gathered all sorts of materials and tools to build with, similar to the tools and materials you see here. The party invitation said we were going to do engineering at home. We would be engineering our own hat, and one thing that was very important was that the hat had to fit on our head. To do the engineering, I followed 3 steps. Make it, try it, and fix it. For make it, I thought of ideas of how to make my hat. I thought of the materials I wanted to use, how big or small I wanted it, and how I was going to connect all the pieces together. After some brainstorming, I made my hat with the supplies that I had. Then I got to try it. I put the hat on my head to make sure it fit, and guess what? It was too small. That's when I moved to fix it. After some adjustments, I finally got my hat to fit on my head. I took the hat with me to the birthday party and I wore it the entire time. It was so much fun. You can make your own hat for a party too. Remember that the hat has to fit on your head. You can use materials that you have around your house. To make your hat, scissors and tape could really help, along with a mirror or something to measure your head, like a measuring tape or even a piece of string. And as you are working, I want you to think of your own story. What kind of party is it, or who is the party for? Where will the party be and who will be there? And what will be special about your hat that makes it a great hat for a party? Remember that you get to decide because it's your story. We'd love to hear your story of your party hat. You can do this by tagging us on social media and use hashtag Chicago Children's Museum. Have a great morning, afternoon, or evening. Bye-bye.